during the day.
Sorry, you can video on your phone.
Oh mate, look at this.
It's a proper each out, this one.
This one I'm coming if it kicks off, bro.
38p, mate. Fucking hell. 2001.
Go straight. Oh mate, I'm getting that fucking.
They're taking pictures then?
Yeah, you do a video. Look. Yeah, that's what I like, man. You should start my video again. That's my video.
Yeah, it's inside. Hold up. Like that. All day. Good condition.
Oh, it's smoky down here still, isn't it? You can't be down here around these.
That looks like
Snug, cosy.
Just need a pillow.
Alright.
There's 2 floors here, isn't it?
Yeah, so what we've just come down, you get to go up, and then there's another like section of the fucking fuse boards, man. A little bit quiet here.
Who's done this one before? You haven't, you?
I've done it, yeah.
We eating this one quick, guys, and come and get back out.
We don't have to.
Exploring the day.
Explore on the side, it's nasty, man. No experience.
Getting damp from
Yeah, so I'm guessing the ground above is more grass than concrete, or they're below water, but I don't think they're below water. I can't remember which way they go.
Oh, nice.
These were men and women's toilets here.
Just, oh, I need a crap.
It wasn't on the door, was it? Yeah,
That's the ladies, yeah.
The rest of the women is missing. Just a bowl.
Whoa. Whoa, on.
Yeah.
Men's is entirely fucking disintegrated.
You not ready? What was that?
It's in my bag.
Fuck is that?
Think so, yeah.
You were down there before, weren't you?
Yeah, a couple of months ago. Don't work.
Where's Jowls? What's that? Is it Jowls?
No. So that would just put a little cloak on like this. All the light switches still switch there.
Surprises me with all the damp down here.
Those light fittings, above the head.
I've got that thing on my phone, the cable on that.
Oh mate, that is old school.
They've had a transformer for each light, right? That's amazing. See the way it wired up?
Yeah, metal, isn't it?
Metal fucking meshing. That one does.
Yeah, make sure you turn the lights off when you go out, yeah? Fucking.
Where's Nick? He's there. We'll get some newspaper. There's some old
drawings on it. Mate, they're old metal pots.
That's a fucking paint pot, huh?
Burn it out. Good and new.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez, that's slimy there. Nope, denied. So, probably take some stills from that video.
I'll send you the pictures if you want, it's not a problem. But it will follow them and I'll just cover that this.
It's night and day, I might as well not have that.
I can double that power.
Oh, fucking hell. Skating.
That's just one.
Yeah.
Some of them still had the glass in it. Yeah, this would have been for like storage of clothes and shoes and personal belongings and stuff, and then you would have, I'm guessing, males one side, females the other. No supports, like skeletons. I did some mistakes. I'm not there to record it.
Simon, it's gonna be.
Do you imagine that bending like because of the weight? Yeah, it's definitely his shoulder.
Yeah.
Could you imagine being stuck down there?
That's it, we're down here by choice.
What was that bunk that's?
No, that's got to be storage, surely.
Does look kind of like storage there.
100.
This would have been another way in. Got that cool wall.
Oh, good. Snug.
You going all the way up?
Yeah, I'm sorry down here.
Actually, nice stairs, mate.
We could even, I would say we could head out, I don't even know the way out now.
They're just straight on.
We weren't straight, we're going some turns now,
No,
mate.
they're just straight on, mate.
Look, stuff's falling down already, mate.
There's one up there, there's no step. In between that guy, stand underneath that fucking.
Yeah. So that level basically the same as this level?
Bit better than
What's the way out then, if we're going out straight?
back the way we come, isn't it?
Going on, isn't it? Back through the tunnel. You walk back to the other end there?
I don't know if we'll make it to the other end, we are too long.